Hey there, YouTube. Want to introduce the new vehicle for the channel, a 2003 Chevy S10 Zr2. Yes, the Zr2 package being the off-road package for the Chevrolet S10. It's a big little project truck. It's got 216,000 on it. Four-Three Vortec, four-wheel drive, locking rear end, extended cab. It's got a little small nitpick issues here and there, but you know, kind of to be expected for a old Michigan truck. But it runs good, drives good. All the important stuff works. So there's that. I want to introduce it to the channel. I'm going to take care of the body rust. There's some on it. It's not the worst I've seen, but there's some. Suspension's good. It's got brand new tires on it. They're Goodyear Wrangler Authorities. They're severe snow rated, which is what we need where we live in Michigan. The truck is completely stock. I've got some plans for it. Maybe a little bit of a lift, maybe a little bit bigger tire, not too much. I don't want to go too crazy with it. Do some exhaust work on it, a little intake. Just have to get better mileage on it. I might make this a mild overland build. Go camping here and there, go places with it. Not a bad truck. I like it. Those decals are coming off. It's probably not going to stay this color. Maybe I'll do a military theme on it. Military colors, maybe like a desert tan or coyote brown or something like that in black. Or an OD green, who knows. But yeah, I just wanted to introduce the truck to the channel. Let you guys see what we're working with here. All in all though, I have to say, for 1,800 bucks for a Michigan truck, it's not too crusty. It's got a little rust, obviously, but you know, northern Michigan, rockers are pretty much gone on it. Cab corner. It's a little worse on the other side. Especially with the rear door. This is a 3-door. So you got your front door, your passenger door, and then there's a rear driver's passenger door. Like that. And you got a jump seat in there. Jack and all the equipment in there is brand new. That radio doesn't work, but that's fine because I'm going to rip it out anyway. Put a new one in it. That sunroof does work. Working on a loose connection up there. Kind of sketchy. If anyone knows where I can find this specific cover for the sunroof panel, that'd be great. I'm probably going to throw some foam in here and re-seat cover it. And then other than that, it's got one check engine light, and that's for a evap system recirc valve, which that's a cheap fix, quick and easy. And then I think it's going to need some like wheel bearings, or not wheel bearings, but wheel speed sensors. It's got an ABS light on. Everything else works. Four-wheel drive works. Engine runs great. But yeah, This is the new to the channel, new to us. 2003 Chevy S10 Zr2. We'll see you guys on the next one.